DHL is one of the world-leading logistics companies. DHL Express SD and BHD Enterprise based in Malaysia. The main offices are in KL. It was first established on June 10, 1975. The headquarters of DHL was located in Germany. The founders of DHL are Adrian Dalsey, Larry Hilleblum, and Robert Lin. The main services of the company are providing courier, package delivery, and express mail services. The vision of the DHL is to be a post office for Germany and a logistics company for the world. This indicated that DHL want to be a logistics company to which people will return. We will be their first choice not only by delivering their shipments, but also as an employer or investor. DHL Express was the market leader for parcel services. The mission of DHL will be to make their customers, employees and investors even more successful, always show respect while achieving high scores, facilitate and simplify the lives of their customers and contribute to making the world better. There is only one reason drives DHL move into e-commerce business, which is customer requirements such as B2B, B2C, C2C. Because of the booming of online shopping in these 10 years, the customer needs are the most important factor drives DHL move into e-commerce, as DHL are sensitive to customers and sees the chance that customers are going digitalization. DHL currently is on the process of semi-transforming, where DHL had invested €2 billion to the digitalization of the global subsidiaries. There are 3 departments for DHL, which are Commercial, Operation and Customer Services Department. Commercial Department responsible to accept sales and order from our customer, Operation Department that responsible to the delivery process, and Customer Services Department responsible for communicating with the customer and deal with the problem faced by customer. For example, siren system for the Commercial Department in monitor and helping the worker to process the sales. Besides, the scanner is providing every information such as the warehouse, package to deliver, the status of the package and the location of the parcel. DHL is using an in-house system. DHL use their in-house system on the tracking system and payment. Although DHL uses an in-house system, they also had cooperated with Standard Chartered Bank and D-Wallet. For couriers, it supports measuring the time of pickup, stock unload, and quality of shipments. Before digitalization, the postman needs to run 4x4 to send packages, but after digitalization, DHL no needs to run 4x4 and only go to the management side. For a salesperson, is it measured by how much quantity of calls in a day, how much time is spent in a call. Before digitalization, customer service can only pick up 1 call. However, after transformed into digitalization, DHL can reply to 3-5 customers' chats at a time. DHL currently have 4 infrastructures which located in Singapore, Dubai, Germany, and US. They are doing the research and development to catch the trend in logistic industry. The radar research drives DHL investment to fulfill customer need. For example, before the MCO period, the customer services are more often to accept call from customer, but due to COVID-19 pandemic all people are work at home, they cause the number of the customer try to approach us by using text and social media, which DHL need to invest in the social media such the official Twitter that got someone need to always online for the questions. DHL also adopt a prob social system to analyze the digital data from social media, and for increases the productivity DHL also adopt the remote process automation, RPA, during the process of the customer parcel. The advantages of investing fund into digital infrastructure are and switches employee experiences and customer experiences. Digital infrastructure allows DHL employee to work in hybrid mode, which DHL can ensure their safety and ensure they are always able to be working anywhere. For customer experiences, the digital tools allow DHL listen to the customer voice and provide better services for them. And the third advantages are robotic, which reduce the cost and time constraint and drive the productivity level. The disadvantages will be the huge cost taking for DHL to implement to build the digital infrastructure includes software and hardware, and there are always got people with a constant mindset and did not ready for the transformation of digital infrastructure, and it take time for DHL to affect their mindset. There are only one factor for DHL to continue success, which is people. Well-trained for worker, greater place to work motivation. DHL believe that treat employee well and they will treat customer well. The worker is being treated well, they will ensure their services quality and ensure the customer loyalty. The culture and quality of delivery are the most important because hiring the right person and developing them can help DHL to expand. And the quality of delivery is important as it shows customer satisfaction. The mindsets of each employee are different. Some of them did not have the knowledge to go digitalization by using Microsoft 365. The training for worker to adopt the new tools and the mindset of the worker to adopt the transformation will be a big challenge for DHL management department. There are significant of influences of government policies affect DHL, which classify logistic and supply chain industry as essential sector, and by providing those stop in rapidly. DHL also had appointed by Malaysian government as the vaccines carrier, which about 50% of the vaccine is courier by DHL. The logistic related industry is classified as essential sector and ability to operate during MCO period. For the assistance from government, the criteria of financial aid from government are the dropping of sales during the MCO period, and DHL did not receive subsidies from government as they are not classified in that category, but DHL is doing pretty well sales during the MCO period as it is essential in people daily life. The clear SOP that assigns by government is helping the most for DHL. DHL provides international expertise as DHL is a 50-year-old company. DHL also had local expertise that are related to customs clearance. It is also an expanding courier that ships internationally. DHL continues to expand its gateway, infrastructure, service centers, and freights. DHL Express Malaysia, which we focus in the international business, and the other DHL firm in Malaysia is DHL E-commerce, which focus on the domestic market. DHL is potential in Malaysia, especially SME, which currently Malaysia has a 3.2 million SME company, but only 20% is involved is doing the international business.